Good morning, Heartfelt families. My name is Miss Darcy and I am from the Clarkson location. Today our small group activity is a toy wash or car wash, whatever. Either works. So you're going to need a bucket and some water and some soap. I have it probably half an inch high. And what I'm using today is some shaker eggs and some animals. For the younger infants, I'd recommend getting a baking sheet and putting it on the ground so they can do tummy time. Put it far enough away that they can still reach and splash around in the water. Put some smaller toys on there, more flat toys like plastic keys, some of the little rings like that hang down from the play mats. Those work great too. So then you just put your toys in here and have at it. Splash around. This one can get messy too. A lot of things can get wet. You know, they're exploring different textures, with water, sensory. It's a sensory activity also because they're exploring with water, different animals. If they wanted to, they can taste it. Yeah. Then when you're finished, just take them out, rinse them off, and that is that. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.